Now we'll go for part 2. In part 2 you'll get a cue card. You'll get 1.5 minutes to take preparation. Here is your cue card and you can start. Alright, time's up. You can start your cue card topic.
Okay. Well, my topic is if I get lots of money, so what kind of activity actually I do. First of all, money it's a very important thing for our life, because if you want to do something, of course money matters. So if I get money, I want to visit Dubai, because Dubai is the largest city in the world, and there is world tallest buildings, Burj Khalifa. So I want to visit that because it's really fascinates me. I saw in internet many times in Dubai views like Burj Khalifa and other fancy places. Dubai is a place there is actually you can spend your money, and if you have money, but you can't find where you spend, so you can go to Dubai, because there is a lots of way you can spend your money. So that's why actually I want to go Dubai. If I have money, of course I am not going there alone. Of course I try to go there with my friends or my family member.
Thank you very much. That is the end of the speaking part 2.